Hello everyone, всем привет и добро пожаловать на мой канал. And today we will be learning our first 5 words in Russian, our first 5 Russian words, that main words that you're really going to need to know, very important, used a lot. First one, da. Da. Most people probably already know that da is yes in Russian. It's also yes in Romanian and probably a few other languages of the Slavic variety as well. And it means yes, just means yes. Word 2, нет, нет. It looks a bit like het, but it's нет. The E is pronounced as a Y-E, so yeah instead of e. So нет means no, нет. Next word we have, this is probably the longest one we're going to be learning today. Word number 3 is пожалуйста, пожалуйста. And it means please, So пожалуйста or пожалуйста. If you sound this out in Cyrillic letters, it looks a bit like пожалуйста, but it's not pronounced like that. It's one of the few words that isn't pronounced exactly as it's written. Most Russian words, you can pretty much guess exactly how it's said by how it's spelt. But in the case of пожалуйста, the uy sound gets dropped here, so you just say пожалуйста, пожалуйста. Word number 4, very important one, thank you, спасибо, спасибо. So this one is exactly the same as it's written in Cyrillic, just спасибо, спасибо. There's a little bit of difference here. There's sort of like an E sound after the A, so it's like a спасибо, спасибо, спасибо. But you can just say спасибо without the E here. And it means thank you. And last word for today, probably the most common word ever, is the shortened form of здравствуйте, which is just привет. Привет means hi. Just a friendly hello. Hello there. Hi. Привет. Привет. And that concludes today's lesson. You should have learnt now 5 new Russian words that you can go ahead and use. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.